Microintegrator refers to WSO2 Microintegrator, which is an open-source, lightweight integration runtime developed by WSO2. It is designed to facilitate the implementation of microservices-based integration architectures. Microintegrator offers capabilities for message routing, transformation, and orchestration, enabling organizations to build scalable and agile integration solutions. Here's an overview of WSO2 Microintegrator. 1. Lightweight integration runtime. Microintegrator is designed to be lightweight and resource efficient. It has a small footprint, making it suitable for deployment in resource-constrained environments such as containers or microservices platforms. Its lightweight nature allows for faster startup times and efficient resource utilization. 2. Message routing and transformation. Microintegrator provides capabilities for message routing and transformation. It supports various protocols and message formats, including HTTP, HTTPS, JMS, AMQP, MQTT, SOAP, JSON, and XML. It allows you to define routing rules and transformations to direct messages to the appropriate services, perform data format conversions, and enrich messages with additional data. 3. Mediation and orchestration. Microintegrator supports mediation and orchestration patterns to enable complex integration scenarios. It allows you to define mediation flows that perform tasks such as message transformation, content-based routing, filtering, and validation. It also supports choreographing the execution of multiple services or microservices to achieve end-to-end business processes. 4. Event-based integration. Microintegrator supports event-driven architectures, enabling real-time integration and event processing. It provides event mediation capabilities, allowing you to define event-driven flows that respond to events generated by various sources. This allows you to build reactive and event-driven integrations that can respond to changes and trigger actions in real time. 5. Connectivity and adapters. Microintegrator offers a wide range of connectors and adapters to connect with various systems and services. It provides connectors for popular databases, messaging systems, cloud services, and enterprise applications. Additionally, Microintegrator supports integration with RESTful APIs, allowing you to expose and consume RESTful services. 6. Security and governance. Microintegrator includes security features to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of data during integration. It supports various security protocols and standards, including SSL/TLS, OAuth, and JWT, for secure communication and authentication. It also provides capabilities for access control, policy enforcement, and governance, allowing you to manage and secure your integration solutions effectively. 7. Development and deployment. Microintegrator offers a developer-friendly environment for building integration solutions. It provides a graphical integration development tool, as well as support for scripting languages such as JavaScript and Groovy. Microintegrator supports containerization technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes, making it easy to deploy and manage integration solutions in a containerized environment. 8. Monitoring and management. Microintegrator provides monitoring and management capabilities to monitor the health and performance of integration solutions. It offers logging, tracing, and metrics collection to gain insights into the integration flows and track the flow of messages. It also provides a management console and APIs for configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting tasks. 9. Open source and community support. Microintegrator is an open source project, licensed under the Apache License 2.0. This means that the source code is freely available, and the community actively contributes to its development. The open-source nature of Microintegrator fosters innovation, flexibility, and collaboration among developers and users. Certainly. Here are some additional details about WSO2 Microintegrator. 10. Containerization and cloud-native deployment. Microintegrator is designed to work well in containerized environments and supports deployment on container orchestration platforms like Docker and Kubernetes. It follows cloud-native principles, allowing organizations to leverage the scalability and flexibility of containerization for their integration solutions. This makes it easier to deploy, manage, and scale integration workloads in cloud and hybrid environments. 11. API Management Integration. Microintegrator seamlessly integrates with WSO2 API Manager, which is a comprehensive platform for API management. Together, they provide a complete integration and API management solution. Microintegrator handles the integration aspects of the APIs, while API Manager handles API design, security, publishing, and analytics. This integration allows organizations to implement a unified approach to manage both integration and API lifecycle. 12. DevOps and Continuous Integration/Continuous Deployment, CI/CD, support. Microintegrator supports DevOps practices and facilitates continuous integration and continuous deployment of integration solutions. It integrates well with popular CI/CD tools and frameworks, allowing organizations to automate the build, test, and deployment processes for their integration solutions. This enables faster time to market and ensures the reliability and consistency of deployments. 13. Service Discovery and Registry. Microintegrator provides service discovery and registry capabilities to facilitate the dynamic and automatic discovery of services. It integrates with service registries like WSO2 Governance Registry and popular service discovery mechanisms like Kubernetes Service Discovery. This simplifies the integration process by allowing services to be dynamically located and invoked without hard-coded endpoints. 14. Distributed Tracing and Observability. Microintegrator offers distributed tracing capabilities to enable observability in distributed integration environments. It supports distributed tracing standards like OpenTracing and OpenTelemetry, allowing organizations to trace and monitor the flow of messages across multiple integration components. This helps in troubleshooting, performance optimization, and understanding the end-to-end behavior of integration flows. 15. Extensibility and Customization. Microintegrator provides extensibility options to meet specific integration requirements. It supports custom mediators, which are Java-based components that can be developed to implement custom integration logic. This allows developers to extend the functionality of Microintegrator and incorporate custom business logic into integration solutions. 16. Community Support and Ecosystem. Microintegrator benefits from a vibrant open-source community and an extensive ecosystem of integration tools and connectors. The community actively contributes to the development of the product, provides support through forums and mailing lists, and shares valuable resources and best practices. The ecosystem includes a wide range of connectors, adapters, and extensions that can be used to integrate with various systems and services. WSO2 Microintegrator offers a lightweight, scalable, and cloud-native integration runtime that is well-suited for microservices architectures and modern integration requirements. It provides a comprehensive set of features for building, deploying, managing, and monitoring integration solutions, and it integrates seamlessly with other components of the WSO2 integration platform.